I just realized I said that I wasn't gonna use AI, but like the feature that I'm wanting to build is going to use AI, but I don't want to build it with AI right now. But like inherently, the feature is going to use AI. I don't know if training wheels is the word. I think like it's not even training wheels. Imagine like okay, an autonomous bike. That's more like it. It's not training wheels because I'm not pedaling. It's more of like an autonomous, like a Waymo or an Uber. That's more fitting than training wheels. Yeah, 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 yeah. But okay, so we're here. Keep in mind, there is no Claude Code tab open, but I will be writing down. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh, whoops! I should probably save this. Please, please save it, please. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, this is kind of a refactor. Um, a refactor job. But it was a CSS refactor job, so not really like a performance enhancing, efficiency optimization kind of refactor. Um, so what happened was I don't know. Yeah, this is what happened. This is what happened. I don't know if this looks better to other people, but I like it. I like it. It looks a little bit more modern. Well, okay, there's also this. I want to replace the icon pretty soon. I don't know how soon, but pretty soon. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I show you? Uh, where did she Snapchat it? I am too old for Snapchat. But this is what light mode looks like. So like it inverts, but this is one of my pet peeves with this. I know, flashbang, I'm sorry. This is one of my pet peeves with this. How there's black text right here, but top right icon. Right? You mean this oh, this is a an overlay kind of thing. Oh. Yeah, I wanna replace that with like an SVG if possible. But I just don't know what kind of logo to have right now. So this is just a placeholder. It is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers, and I'm not a graphic designer, so it is what it is. Um, but yeah. Um, ooh, what is realize what I could do? Nah, that's too much. This might be a little bit too much. I don't know. I don't know. You can make the text on the buttons black. It's too light now. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I know what they are, but I feel like they're a little bit too something's off. Something's off, and I just don't know what. I'm not good at like the whole like color spectrum UI design thing. but it works for now, so I'm not gonna wait. To darken the background or the text color? Mm, here's what we'll do. Here's what we will do. Bro, sure. Jet problem actions. Uh, and then, please. Yeah. No. It's just saying. To black? Oh, easy. What? Hey. Okay, we're not doing that. Oh, sorry. I'll just take that and put that right there. Why is that not taking effect? What the heck? Oh, okay, fine. I thought it was already deleted. But yeah. I mean, yes. Let's bump it up to like a 4444. Still work. That's actually worse. Let's go with like on the wider side. Let's go AO 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 AO. This keeps on getting worse and worse. I, this not bold. Bold, bold. Oh, that kind of doesn't matter with this font size or with this font. I could, well, okay, wait, this is what I could do. Do I already have? Let's do that. Nah. And then, hey, there we go. Does that work? Because I mean, okay, mm, no shadow. The oh, but what does it look like on light theme? You know, this looks like trash. Oh wait, whoa, wait, sorry, hold up. I did? How? Oh, I mean, kind of didn't. 6, 5, 6, 5, and then let's try light or dark. Please work. Does this have a different color when on dark theme? It does. Just keep it the same. What the heck is this? What? What? Why is it so much dark? Oh no, that's the problem. Just Why did I ever push this? This is horrible. Dark theme, dark text, not bold. Oh, wait. Dark theme, dark text. Let's change this to about inverse. See, that bothers me because everything else is in white. That bothers me. How? It's not bold. I don't know what else. Three. Fine, three. This is as skinny as it's gonna get. Does it? I don't like it. I don't like it, but hold up. Let me look at it. It's this. It's the background. No. Hold up. This is disgusting. I mean, I'm kind of there. I'll fix it later. I'm kind of there. Just push this and just go ahead and just start with this other thing that I wanted to do. Yeah, sure. Okay. What do I want to do? Oh, yeah, that thing. Okay. I think I went live too early on YouTube. Oh gosh. But here we are. So I think I want to put it up here. Up here. Or some. It may be under this. Mm. It may be under this. And then I just want a bar. I just want to make a bar. Line in fo if line is selected. I'll do that before that. So div. What are you doing? Thank you. Class. Mm-mm. No. Game plan container. Blah, 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 blah. No. 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 Because what does this look like on my phone? It does not look like that on my phone. It does not look like that on my phone. What the heck? Oh, it definitely doesn't look like that on my phone. Dang it. Hmm. Here's what I may do. I may have it just like as a toast or something, like right here. Or I don't know where to put it. Because I don't want to put it up here in the nav bar. I may have to. Or, no, it still doesn't make sense. I haven't done this page yet. But this page looks good. It's still bothering me, but it still looks good. And then the problems need a little bit of fixing. But I mean, that's that. I don't know where to put this. I'm really stuck now. Just based off the design of this, I'm stuck. This is jamming. This right here. Hold on. It has to be at the top. It has to be. If I want this to work. Oh, prettier. Activate. So from here, I probably won't have that icon there. But this whole thing is gonna be an icon. Oh. Oh. That's not gonna work. This is the container. This is H2. I think the same kind of indicator that there would be right here. Line status. No. No. Indicator. Let's do something like that. And then, eh, that's not, it doesn't exist. So that's not gonna work. Let's just have it be a. That's not gonna work. I don't know, like a red circle, and then why can't I jump to the CSS file of this? Which extension is that to where I can just jump to the CSS selector? I don't have Prettier installed. What the heck? That's why. But I mean, usually no. Let's see if that's what I'm missing. It is not what I'm missing. Which extension is the one where you can like command click and then go to the CSS file? Sucks. Status light. I need Ranger success box shadow. So basically, it's just gonna be that with that. Huh. I can basically just take that and then have it. Game plan container. That may not look like that. It's gonna look like that. But what am I looking at? Status light. Game plan indicator. What what are you doing? Wait. Oh, that's not gonna be it. Inactive. No. Uh, does that work? 'Cause that's just the dude. On status text. Doesn't have any bearing on that. So still I need to look at status light and just replicate that because the indicator is gonna have all that. Cool. Why the heck? And then for the color is gonna be red. It's gonna be like a regular badge. Whatever this is. Yep. That's like the indicator. Game plan indicator. Maybe we'll just slap that on there. Easy. Awesome. So keep that on a different, no, the same line. Container. Display flex. There we go. Yep. I need a gap. A good old Michael Strahan. There we go. I don't need to be this wide. I really don't. So like the width of this could be 50. I don't care. 25 for all I. Oh. Oh. It's a hard set number because I have to think about mobile. 250. And then why in the heck? Why is it suggesting this? What does that justify? Let me justify my actions. That's not it. Justify content. Center. Yes. I like this. I have not drank any of my coffee. So, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You'll probably need it watching this boring CSS stream. Not one line of JavaScript has been written. Dark text on buttons. For now, this is a placeholder. I understand and I agree with you, but for now, I'm focused on this game plan thing. Whenever I feel like changing it, I'll change it. But and I also don't want to get used to like looking at it. So it'll be relatively soon. But actually, wait. Oh, wait. Okay. See, here's the thing. I may just need to flip the things, the backgrounds. If I want this to be consistent, I may just need to flip the backgrounds. Oops. Oops. I messed up. I messed up bad. It's this. 7. And then whatever it was before. No. Text primary. Or text yeah. Yeah, it's text primary. I want it to be consistent. It's text primary. Why is it still white? These things need to be inverted. Because this is a darker one, and I like it. But it doesn't pop. Oh, whoops. Now that pops. Thoughts? He's new here. Oh, I hate Tailwind so much. Oh, oh, he's new. It's okay. Oh, thank you for the laugh, good sir. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Okay. I'm old. So like okay, wait. I'm old and stupid. So I like raw dog and CSS. That's just the life that chose me, brother. I'm sorry. I've tried Tailwind. Didn't click. Yeah, my bones hurt already. I'm 28. I'm old. You know what? Well, okay, last week I'm really sticking to it, and you know what's helping with not feeling as old? Stretching. Very underrated. Stretching. Very simple. Doesn't take too long, but the thing that like takes a long time is like getting mentally prepared for stretching. That's the thing. Stretching helps a lot. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's there's no longer a thing to just get up and go anymore. You need to stretch. And many people like they say like I regret not stretching when I was younger so that like now that I'm older, I'll feel more spry. I feel like it just came with old age. Regardless if you stretch or not when you were younger, you were just gonna feel this. It was coming, regardless. 76 actually. Thank you. Oh, good. At least I'm not what is it called? An ignorant what was it? Let me scroll up. A busy, ignorant human. Some. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you for uh contributing and talking, you know what I'm saying? Always welcome. Um, but at work I had some small wins even though it took a long time and like I basically had effectively like
Oh,
3 and a half hours of like actual sorry, I'll shut up. Hopefully you heard the notification, but thank you for following. Um, about 3 and a half of like effective, productive work. But small wins there. Oh, I can show you here. Oh yeah, I'm not a program like a full-time programmer. I'm a regular person. Um, I'm not smart like you people. Okay, so I made this today, even though it's not done. But I thought I could never get this mold in. I don't know if you remember ever or not, but like remember whenever like I couldn't it was it No, this isn't it. Is this it? That's it. When it was like this and it wasn't touching, well, this I dropped the mold a little bit and now it's touching so that I'm not potentially blowing up the machine anymore. I'm so happy. And I'm able to at least produce something, something being this. Even though it's not perfect, I may lift it up a little bit more to see what I can do. But yeah. And I've been trying, like I was trying to get rid of this, but I looked at the mold and it's not possible. This is what the mold looks like. I could do better. But I'm kind of like on a time crunch right now, so eh, mm, perfection is kind of not an option right now. So yeah, that's kind of what my day was like at work. And then I did some CSS stuff whenever I got back from work. And then here I am after a nap. So yeah. What are these? This is oh, I haven't added it to the database yet. This mold is called 300. I don't know. This is called 300. Mm, That's just what they call it. Yes. Yes. It is a side thing that I really, really, really like. It's just there's not enough time in the day, and I'm tired, and I'm old, and I have things to do. So like I can't program all the time, and I don't think I want to be a full time programmer. Well, I know I don't want to be a full time programmer, so I, I like coding what I like to code on. And with this, like ugly stuff pays the bills, and I like doing it full time. So this is still cooling tower material. It's still cooling tower material. And I'm not smart like y'all. Do I want this? Wait a second. Should this not just be in the nav? This should be in the nav bar. Just replace the daily log with a game plan. No, this is ridiculous. I'm doing something that does not make sense. Nav bar and then just transition the nat or the daily log to the profile. This doesn't make sense what I'm doing. What the heck? How far down am I? Oh, okay. So, there we go. Chat. Not that, but that. Oh, that. Go ahead and cross that out. Do that, and then wait. I guess on my user profile, have a link to it, I guess. And then do Daily log something. No. What the heck is this? A daily log. I don't hate that. No, I hate this. I don't need this to be a click. I need this. Just do that. Yes. Yes, does this work? That's all I care about right now. Just to have it somewhere. This can be better. I'll leave it alone. But then going back to my, yeah, this is fine. Close this out. Go here. Tag this out. Do that. I don't need that. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't need that. Um, what else? Router. Router. Routes. Line reports, no. SOPs, no. Game plan, yes. Component game plan, I don't have a component. I need a page. Folder. Game. Oh, what did I just do? What did I just do? Why am I not using the Angular thing? Sorry. NG, GC, pages, game plan. I love programming. I love it. Oh. Ah. Anyways, so this is a thing. Import it. I want to import it right here. Let me import this. Has no. What you mean? What? I misspelled it. I'm stupid. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Thank you. Okay, so it works. Oh, also, I don't know if you're a React person. I don't blame you for being a React person because I started off as a React person, but like I just like Angular now because it adds more structure. So, but I don't know. Oh, I know me and how I program, and I can easily get lost in my own React program. So I don't want to do that anymore. Ever, please. No, please. I'll learn it one day. I've been wanting to learn something that's more close to like embedded systems. I'm scared of Rust. I was always leaning towards C++, but Ever's trying to get me onto Rust, but I don't want to learn the borrowing checker. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Uh-uh. And I don't want to know what it is. I saw it, and I don't want to know what it is. I already saw Pixel working on it, and I'm scared. It seems like a lot. has the absolute most hand-holdy error message you could ever ask for. You're asking that, or you're telling that to someone that rarely ever reads chat, that rarely ever properly reads error messages. I'm learning to make that more of a habit, but yeah, it's like error here. This is how you fix it. Smile. Fine. But okay, I'm in like the manufacturing industry. Where can I use Rust? Because everything is like C. Where can I like in embedded systems? But does it translate to Okay, so on the okay, here's a very defining question that I have. For my sensor, for my sensor project that I want to build. I look like a baby. Anyways, for the sensor project that I want to build, I can use Rust in that and be perfectly fine. And I won't run into any like compiler errors or like hiccups or like translation, whatever. I can still use Rust in that. And I won't have to like jump through any hoops to make it work. No, 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 no. I mean, whenever I look at like pies or whatever, it says that it uses C, C++, and Python mainly. I never see Rust. So like, can I is Rust innate can I innately program something on a pie with Rust like I can with Python or C? Am I? Because if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Just like I can't do that with JavaScript. You just do C. Then what's the point of learning Rust? I'm gonna do C anyways. You get it? Hold up. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Rust or no Rust? Does it ever say which programming languages I can program in? No. Ooh, it has a power button. Ooh. Fine. I still haven't watched this yet. I'm gonna watch this and then get right back to the game plan thing. At least filling out what the UI would look like, or at least trying to. Um, he's new here. Oh, I hate Tailwind so much. Oh, oh, he's new. It's okay. Oh, thank you for the laugh, good sir. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. He's new here. Oh, I hate Tailwind so much. All right. I'm, I'm getting back to thank you. Oh. Oh yeah, can't right? Y'all can still use this, right? Y'all can still use this, right? Even if you're not subbed? You can still do that, right? That's not locked behind anything, is it? Indubitably. What the heck? You still haven't made coffee? Oh, well, thank you, but, make a coffee. My bad. Okay, back to the stuff. Okay, it works. Thanks for telling me. So this is gonna I don't know how this is gonna work. This is gonna be it's gonna take in there's gonna be a bar up top. What does this look like? Note. There we go. There's gonna be a bar up top. It's gonna be a div, and it's gonna have three things in it. Mm, game plan container, and then game plan header. Div game. Oh, okay. Google listening. Okay, okay. What? Oh, is this the command? Please work. Ha! I did it. Well, I don't even know if that really does it justice. Okay, so like recently I've had a bit of a reimagining of what this is gonna be. I want this to be more of an assistant for me, and that also includes tracking efficiencies and like gaining knowledge. But I really want to lean into like the assistant part of it. right now, and not just the analytical part of it, which goes hand in hand. But um, I mean, I already have this much. Well, well, okay. For example, this much um like data to go off of. w- I already have this much data to go off of, which feeds into like having this work in the first place. So it's really just more of a time thing and getting like actual data that's relevant, real world data that's relevant to what I'm trying to build. And now finding how I want to implement said data to funnel back into an agent that's going to help me get even better and more efficient at my job, if that makes sense. Right? That makes sense. It's a flywheel, but I needed this first. But I need the part where this gets translated into like daily summaries or like daily game plans or like some type of review to get better and more efficient. So yeah, that's where I am right now. And this is the first step. Cuz I already have this. I already have this, which is basically this is my first attempt at using AI in the project. I'm just using a Gemini key. It's GenKit. I'm using a Gemini key for generating questions. It's more of like a multi choice, multiple choice question kind of thing. I ask it like, what is the primary function of doing that? Blah blah blah. It gives me four different potential answers, and I choose one, and then it gives me an explanation. And yeah, so there's that. Just getting my feet wet a little bit with using GenKit. But now I'm kind of reconsidering on which type of model I'm going to use for this to synthesize the data. Well, is synthesize the word? Synthesize the data. That's what smart people say. To synthesize the data. So, hmm. But I really want something to send me a game plan like an hour before work that lets me know, hey, this is how you do this. This is how you get more, or not how you do it, but this is what the tasks are for today. And this is the most optimal way to do it based off of what you've given me. For example, like what works. This. Like something like this. Because I've been tracking different changeovers and stuff and different remedies to make stuff work. I needed to take this type of information and give it to me whenever I'm doing a changeover or about to do a changeover. So yeah. Yeah. So, hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? So, okay. There's gonna be one called no, it's gonna be button times three. Hey, times three. Uh, sources. No, no, this isn't right. Last thing you want is hallucinations when it comes to real world. Yeah, I don't want to just make up anything that's not going to apply to what I'm doing because if it's making also because I'm living in such like an anomaly of an environment right now, being that like working on these machines, they're so outdated, it doesn't translate to what Gemini or any other AI model LLM has because it's so outdated. So there's no documentation on what would make this work. Everything has been like custom made here. So and it's old. So any of what Gemini may even find probably won't work here. I mean, theoretically it should, but because things are so uh, unconventional to be nice, it's not going to translate. And figured out today will be a day of cabbage. I love cabbage so much. You're lucky. Enjoy. I'm barely 50. These machines have been around since the Civil War. No, not the Civil War. More like World War II. It's not going to be sources. What do I want this to look like? Like, I don't know how to pull relevant stuff. Like, I don't know if I want this to like automatically pull different. What am I doing? What am I doing? What? What am I doing? Wait, what am I doing? Wait, why am I blanking? Huh? Hold up. That doesn't work. Hold up. Wait, where am I? I'm making a text file. This is ridiculous. That's what that is. Okay, anyways. Okay, so I'm just gonna speak it because it's way easier. It's not coming out. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna refine this. Hold up. I want to build a game plan feature that pulls relevant data at the beginning of each day that lets me know what I need to do, how to do it more efficiently, and pulls it from past changeovers, past line reports, also takes into consideration current problems that may be on a line. Is this why? Is this too broad of a description? I know that I need to just dump that into Claude, but I wanted to not use AI today. I feel like such a failure. Oh, this sucks. Oh, I'm using anti-gravity. My bad. I haven't used cursor, and I don't know if I want to use cursor. I don't know. If anything, I'll just go back to VS Code. I mean, it's kind of all the same thing anyway. So, Earth the code, just a planet. Yeah, you're right. Plan mode. I I want to describe this some more without just using tokens blindly. How much longer do I have? Fine. Oh wait, I'm looking at this right now. This is more of just a cron job. An AI generated cron job. Search AM Central. To tell me what I need to do. Takes into consideration. Fine. Let's do this. Maybe I'm just overthinking that. And I'll just use this as the first message and then bounce off ideas as it goes. But let it brainstorm with, yeah. Tokens are cheap. You might just have to throw a new idea. Yeah. It's done it before. But I don't know. I'm in kind of like a non AI mood right now in the direct time that I should be using AI. Like I use AI when I'm not supposed to use AI, and when I should use I don't want to use AI. Life is hard. Ooh. Do tell, do tell. Also, I like Claude. Well, I think he's doing a pretty good job. But I also like Claude because it takes into context my entire code base. I know it's like an old feature, and basically all code assistants do it. But Claude did it first, and I feel like it does it the best still. I don't know. Like when I ask it to do a task, it just does the task. Gemini just does whatever it wants to do. ChatGPT is kind of hit or miss. But Claude, ooh, it just hits the spot. Wait, which dictation tool are you using? Are you using like the default, or is it a custom um dictation tool? Whoa. Oh, I came back with something I need to clarify. Oh. Hold up. Wait, let me answer these questions and I'll look at it. Hold up. I need to clarify several important aspects before creating the implementation plan. Hmm? Wait, I'm getting. Hold up. Hold up. Wait. Let me add one data scheduling and storage. Should the game plan data be pre-generated at and stored in or calculated on demand whenever you if pre-generated? Would you prefer using? I want it to be pre-generated, and yes, I'd like to use uh Firebase Cloud function 2. User scope. Should each user see his personalized plan or area? Did you mean to add that period? Because that period kind of seems a little bit passive aggressive. Just saying. Maybe this isn't the dictation tool for you. I don't know. I'm just now noticing all the periods that have been used. This isn't like you. Nah, man. Nah. 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 I want each user to see a personalized plan. Y- yes. What to do? What should be included? Schedule changeovers for that for the oh, that's another thing. You typically don't have spelling errors. Typically, except for appeting. That to see if that jogs your memory a little bit. Mm. Oh, also, Croucher, I don't know if you're here or not. Um, uh, yes, I like it. It makes me feel more calm. I don't know. It helps me reach Zen level. Um, This is really cold now. I don't. Let me just go ahead and finish this off. I need to reinvest into another coffee warmer. Um, that's another thing that it's suggesting this, and I should really implement something that like I need to implement the docket. Um oh, sorry. It's a very bare bones Discord. I'm active in there, but I'm not a good like owner. I don't have like dedicated channels for like any and everything. My bad. See, these periods, man. These periods are kind of scary. I'd like to include scheduled changeovers. I also like to implement. Yes, it's not human. I need you to put some slang in there, some Slovenian slang in there, some beep boop. Uh, what do I need to do? Should I put that on? Feature. I think it's an important trait to have to prevent huge delays, to take new ideas as like let me focus on this message. What? Wait. I think it's an important trait to have to prevent huge delays. Yes. To take new ideas. Okay. If it's not imperative to have a version 1, jot it down as a nice feature. Oh, okay. I interpret it now. This is already an MVP though. Oh, you mean this feature specifically? Oh. Well, true. You know what? This is not a coincidence. The moment that I start using AI, chicken shows up. This is not a coincidence. Oh yeah, this is a candle. The entire stream, I haven't been using AI. But oh, well, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope the slumber treated you well, and I hope that you're eating breakfast. That's important. Maybe it's fake. Okay, I will touch this hot candle right now to prove. Hold up. Hot, 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 hot. Don't go out. Okay. You know, when I was younger, I messed up and like I dropped a candle and like the wax poured on me and I was so scared because I thought I was gonna lose my arm. But like it was wax. So it just hardened. But I was like, I thought I was gonna like stick to my skin and like peel it off or like burn through my like my arm. And I was so scared. I was I was terrified. If I'm an admin that need attention, how would the remove your because I interpreted just the candle being hot, so I thought the wax would also be hot. I was like 8, 7. Yeah, I thought it was gonna melt through my arm. Well, like 7, 8. Mm. I never played. I had never played with like hot stuff. I wasn't a kid that played through hot stuff or played with hot stuff like candles or matches or anything. I wasn't that kind of kid. Okay. What? Um, I'd like to include active problems for consideration, but not to because I still need to update it to be more specific. But it okay, it's adding context. Wait. It's like when I say I mean? I mean, how to do it efficiently? What insights should we show? Historical comparisons, average best. Mm, use. Mhm, mhm. Okay. I didn't say as well. I said also. um, that's what I wanted to do, right? I don't want it to hallucinate. Wait, it's added. Okay, wait. It asked me different things to clarify, and I'm gonna bounce off of it again. Hold up. Doing so. Why is the work thing happening again? Let him do it. What you have to do is clear the whole history and stuff. I don't judge y'all when y'all code. Oh. Um, I think this is fine for 5. It's that bad to watch? Oh gosh. And this is why I took a break from streaming. I just feel so judged. Okay. Uh, go back as far as the last time ran or Well, wait, I like to go as far as 30 days for all production ran on or was ran on. And then 6 read only or interactive was task read only should be saved historically or just show today's read only save. then don't take it into account. Yeah, I don't want to take into account if it's ran on a different line because those are different parameters that would only confuse. No, because I have to tailor it. Yeah, Jeez, how different they were. Yeah, like say for example, I almost took the mold out of this line that I'm trying to work on. I almost took it out of this one and put it in another one. And if I did do that, the parameters would be a whole lot different. The changeover process would be a whole lot different because, for example, the line that I would be changing it to does not have a vacuum on it. So I would have to like re reconfigure the entire line so that I could have vacuum capabilities on it. And that's too much. Like certain lines just aren't built to run a certain product. Don't take it out of the one. Don't take it out of this one. Just put it in a different one, boys. It's not gonna end well. Yeah, it never ends well. Please git commit. I can delete this. Don't save. I think I can be okay with this. Git commit. Generate something. If I run out, if I run out, I'm gonna be so upset. No, 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 no. Not commits. Tokens. If I run out of tokens, I'm gonna be upset because I don't want to use any other LLM. And I think I'm gonna start um being on like an every 4 hour cadence whenever I program. I may not stream all of it, but I think I really may start taking advantage of the plan that I have instead of just like not. This is Sonnet. This is Sonnet, but it's gonna be boring. Like for example, the stuff that I did earlier today, whenever I got off of work, would have been so boring. It would have been so like horrible to watch. I mean, I got to where I wanted to get. And okay, the reason why I ran out of tokens so fast last stream was because I was on Opus and I didn't know it. Even though Opus is really good, it's just I didn't need all that horsepower for what I was doing. Which makes me think that I want to see how far I can get with just using haiku. Haiku is like haiku isn't bad because it's thinking. Yeah, because it's most efficient with the tokens. But I also can't use Opus right now because I would easily just run out of tokens because I've used so much in the past 2 hours. Oh, lucky. Well, I'm in a position to where it just sucks to suck. So
Yeah, let me create the final implementation plan. Oh, I can look at this in the meantime. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I don't know how to read this. That's part of like what is fun but not fun about not being good at programming. Like, I don't use or read readmes, even though they're important. So I don't make readmes. Also true. Text for other replacements. This does this on the fly or like in real time if you want it. Cool. Interactive model selection and download. What model are you using for this? This is AI, right? Ooh. Wait, why is this HTML? Instant. Oh. Hmm. Now this is what I don't under. This is Rust, right? Is this Rust? Rust code? And what is this? And what is this extension? Is this its own language? A config file? Oh. I've never seen that extension before. Ooh. For Spanish. Oh. I'm reading this as if I'm like gonna use it. I'm not smart enough to use this, but thank you for sharing. It's fun to read though, but I'll stick to my basic Siri dictation. Whoa, what the heck? Hey man, move out the way. I want to read this. Week 3. All right, what's going on? Wait, wait, huh? I, this sucks. I just wanted a very basic. You know what? I'm gonna read this, but I'm gonna tell this to simplify this as much as possible to where we cut all this weak stuff out. Nah, we're not doing this. Build a personalized daily game plan that generates insights. Cool. Game plan will pull data. Cool. Um, yes. It's a game plan based on yeah. Oh, what? No, what? Mm, hold up. I already don't like this. This one right here. I don't like it. Admin, order planning. Yes. Yes. Storage. Yes. Yes. It's a choice. What's a choice? What's a choice? Wait. To be basic skills. Wait. Did I intentionally mess myself up? And I didn't know it. What did I say? Plan order doc. Production, product quantity, priority, cool, estimated change over type, blah, 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 change over needed, uh, 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 uh. As soon as you start writing more than one point and your request is over, give me comprehensive detail week by week plan. Week by week. If this doesn't slap this in a matter of 10 minutes, no, I'm not interested. Week by week. Ah, manager phase, schedule changeover, planning. What? I don't know it. I guess this works. I can see it. Okay. Okay.
Can you please tell me why you stopping me?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh?
I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign?
No, I said I'm.
What stop
I was
sign,
just
man?
I
shutting
said I'm
up
about to tell you.
Huh? You say
until
stop
it finished
sign?
playing,
No
but
one said
thank
stop
you.
sign but you.
Thank you so much. I don't deserve it. I'm just a regular person, like I said, but thank you. Um, I I've been more consistent with streaming, correct? Correct? I've been better at this. So I'll be back after this is over. Hey, but for real, thank you. I may. I'm tearing this down. I don't like this. I like it, but I don't like it because there's too many steps. Okay, wait. You're right. Okay, I admit defeat. You're right. This is too much. I'm tearing this all down. I don't like this. I'm tearing it all down. Nope. I'm letting this go. The reason being is because it's just not there yet. What I need to do is make it so that I have somewhere where I can see all of the upcoming changeovers that I have. That's the most important thing to me right now. Now that it let me know that I don't have that anywhere, that's important. So, that's what I need to build. Um I think I may do it right here. I may do it right here. Like upcoming changeovers or do something. Um feature let's me track all of the upcoming changeovers that I have for a specific like it to be. Yes, I'd like it to be I like it I I like the to be on the dashboard page where the change contain is feel to should this be its own page? This should be its own page, right? I can't just keep on stuffing everything onto the dashboard. Oh, you're gonna optimize it for me and tell me everything that's wrong with it? Oh gosh. No. I will though. Oh, I don't know if but do you have context of my code base? I think that's important. It's like this is going off of my code base, you know? True. I will. I will. I don't know if it's optimal to have it be a drop of its own section, a modal, or its own page. Build to as I just want to page. Oh gosh, wait. Sorry. Whoops. Hmm. Did you make me do that? Oh, I didn't plan it. Oh, I didn't plan it. It doesn't make sense. It makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. Why not just learn? I'll be nice because to each their own. I'm not the type of developer to like dunk on other people for what they like to do whenever they code. Whatever they like to do, they like to do. But it doesn't make sense. Why not just learn CSS to begin with so that you don't need something to like patch up what you don't know? It doesn't make sense. That's like saying, "Hey, let me go ahead and get my driver's license before I learn how to ride a bike." It's like, "What? Like, why like as a community, why are we like purposefully skipping over the basics and making other things to learn? Like, we gotta do better. But like I said, I don't hate anybody for coding how they want to code or designing how they want to design. But CSS is not broken. So why fix it? Um, 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 look, refer to the tag at the beginning of the rant. I don't dunk on other people for how they choose to code. I'm saying I have my own opinions. For basic thing like CSS has been around for how long? Why would you need to abstract something that isn't complicated? Just learn it. Obligatory. Hold up. I'm not mad. I'm actually happy because at least you took the time out to learn CSS. People just slap tailwind on everything and just be like, all right, fine, whatever. No, learn CSS. So thank you for learning CSS properly. Well, do you know how ugly tailwind code looks? Like honestly, no, I can separate that display flex here. No, 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 no. You see, this is how they try to like fool you into thinking that this is like a good thing to do. No, it's not just a one-off thing. You're gonna be repeating flex, 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 flex into everything. No, it's not just like a one-off. Like, hey, this is just the div, and we're just typing flex, and it's easier to type. No, you're no. Not if you're building proper components. Thank you. I believe in a jumbled mess like a proper developer. 2,000 line files. Give me that. You didn't write the same CSS across every button in the app? See, I see the practices that you're saying. It's just you can easily do that with CSS. It's already figured out. He's new here. We'll ease him into that, okay? Okay. He's new. He doesn't need to be discussed on the first day. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Is it this one? It's not this one, I don't think. It's Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Because I mean, there's also this one. It's this one. Um, but it works. Wait, it works. Wait, refactor? Nah, I don't have time for that right now. Plus, like, do I really need that? Component? Okay, I hear you. I hear you. This is what we're gonna do. One day, I'm just gonna be bored enough and have enough time. As a family, we will figure this out. You'll just watch me struggle through making components. Deal? Fine. Cause right now it works and I don't want to break anything. Yeah. That's where I am. Yeah. MVP. Yeah, this is what an MVP looks like. Yeah. Do you want me to plan it and schedule it? I can make that happen. It probably won't be this week though. I'll be honest. I want it to be this week, but it probably won't be this week. What day is it? Oh, it's Tuesday. It might be this week. Nah. No, it won't be this week. Let's try Tuesday of next week. Does that work? Oh yeah, I just doing it because I like it. No one else looks like my code except for y'all. All right, wait. If you're gonna hold me to it, hold up. Uh, as soon as it works, it doesn't exist anymore to me. Hold up. Come Thursday. Come Thursday, I'm gonna make like a Google Calendar event. I'm gonna share it with all of you in the Discord. And that will be component day or component stream. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's gonna be around this time. That's only because I have to. This is Angular. It's only because I have to. If I had my choice, it would still be .js. I'll be honest with you. Uh, and I still hate classes. No. Don't give me kudos. This is forced. Whenever I was still using React, all my stuff was still JSX. I don't care about TypeScript. Not one bit. Um Complex. Each line can have multiple plan changeovers with yes. Scalability. Modal will become cramped. Cool. User experience. Cool. Consistent pattern. Cool. Um New plan changeover. Separate. And plan next to start changeover. Plan changeover. Mm, Plan changeovers page or filter by line. Thursday? Did I say Thursday? No, I didn't say Thursday. I would say by Thursday I would plan it, but it's probably going to be it's probably going to be like in a week. Cause it won't be I'll give you the Google Calendar event thing. List view. I kind of want it to look like this though. Let's see what it does. Mm, mm. And then while that happens, I will be knee deep in the database. What the heck is this? Yes. Yes. More time. Query. No. Do that. No. Products. Maybe. Do that. No, not delete database. What the heck? More. Let's do that. Firebase Studio? No. What the heck is this? Where's my database? Hey. You. Now. We can try this. Just add a similar document. Yeah. Uh, let's just have it do that. Lines ran on that. Yes. Sides, no. Width, 24. Not that. 300. See. What is that called? No. I don't know the name of it. I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it 300. And then this is. It may just be that. And then call it a day. Save it. Yes. What did you come up with? Nothing. Nothing at all. Just slow. Manually delete the database. Cloud will do it for you later. I mean, I'm just waiting on the day. I'm just waiting on it. I'm enjoying my time on this earth. But once Claude to add some tests to the bottom of a file, it proceeds to replace the contents. What? What? What the heck? What? Wait, which one is your favorite model, by the way? If you have one. Ooh. I don't know if anybody remembers, but remember whenever I was trying to do something and it edited like 2,000 files? Yeah, it gets real drunk. It'll just like try to fix something and just make a whole new error that didn't need to be created. But I still like it though. It has personality. I want to give Gemini more of a chance. It's just I'm too deep into the Claude sphere to give anything else a chance. It's just it's the king of coding. Yeah. Or the fact that it didn't hack China and then now your PC is on a watch list. $3.5. What? Wait, what? Hello? Hey, check him PC. What? Wait, no one's catching that? Hold on. Is this AI? Hey. No one. Hold up. No. It 'Wait. Okay. I'll be honest. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work. I never take those benchmarks. Like I don't even pay attention to them anymore. They mean nothing to me. Like the last humans last exam stuff and all that stuff, that means nothing to me. because that all that stuff is like there's no graph that can really exemplify a model just working and being correct all the time. It's gonna keep on like having errors and like mental lapses. So when people are like, or when companies are like trying to show graphs of like, oh, it scored this on the benchmark or this on the exam or whatever, it's just like all cherry pick stuff. I need to use this to see how it look to see how it feels. That's just me though. I don't know. Let's see. Hey. And it did it. Ooh, it did it. I knew this was gonna be a problem. Oh, I knew this was gonna be a problem. Wait, yeah, yes, no. Huh? Huh? Whatever. There. Easy. Now let's see if it'll do it. I have no faith. This looks good though. I'll be honest. Looks kind of fire. Okay, flashbang by the way. 3, 2, 1. This looks trash. My eyes. What is that? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but I'm not delving into that tonight. Nope. The heck is that? Lazy chunks. The fix is complete. What? Please work. Please. This feels good. Okay. So, I mean, if I do this. Oh no! No! Last thing. Uh, and that's it. I don't care if it went wrong. All right. Chat, where are you? I thought I had more cat treats, but I can't find them right now. And I want to give him some cat treats. I will once hopefully it fixes it. I've been really good at committing lately. I've been really good at it. Hold up. Is it deleting something or something? I count 7 exclamation marks, so I'm going to assume that that's a not statement. All right, cool. All right, committing. This is single-handedly the greatest tool or the greatest thing that AI has ever done. Is this? It's just automatically generating get commit messages. Ooh, watch this. Croucher, you're gonna be upset. They've seen it before and they frown upon it. They just haven't said anything yet about it. But watch this. Easy. Okay. So ng build and then deploy. I'm committing just straight to origin main. I don't know about any other branches. I don't know about any of that other stuff. I want to start doing some branch type of stuff, but it's just me. So, I mean, what does it really matter, you know? But why? This was fun. This was fun. This
is a little bit misleading from what I have on YouTube. Sorry. Do they have black people in Australia? No, it was mustaches. It's a specific type of mustache. I did say suits. Well, yes, I agree with that too. Yes. Yes, yes, I did. And yes, I'm remembering what kind of suit. And yes. Yes, without a doubt. Ugh. Oh. 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 Okay. Thank goodness. Well, with that being said, I'm getting old. I'll be taking a nap. This has been a pretty long stream compared to what I've been doing recently. So there's that. And hopefully I'll have enough energy whenever I get off of work to stream. I'll probably code, but I don't know if I'll stream it or not. I don't know what promise. Oh, I'll probably make it whenever I get off a stream. I'll just hop into Discord and then share it. If y'all want to put it on y'all's calendar, you can. I'm doing a component stream or component refactor, same thing to me. I don't know, but I'm doing it next week. So it is what it is. I'll talk to y'all later. Continue to be cool people. Positive people. Is that Christmas Eve? Did I just make a promise for Christmas Eve? Wait, calendar. Wait a minute. It is. It is Christmas Eve. Okay, I'm holding myself to it. It's gonna be like early morning Christmas Eve, so it's not like really Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. You can't say that I just forgot about y'all. It's it'll work itself out. It'll work itself out. I'll be creating the Google Calendar event shortly. But yeah. Thank y'all. No, I'm committing. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. So later. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye.